Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing or unpackaging and first impressions of the iBetter case for the Huawei P40, and we'll just give you some first impressions. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, I ordered this case from Amazon. That's Amazon UK. I'll put the link in the description to this YouTube video. Packaging seems to be a Ziploc bag with a lot of branding on it. The case itself is what I was expecting. It's the same type of case compared to the case we had got for the Xiaomi A3. So it's the iBetter case for Huawei P40. Now I can see there's a good camera cutout, button space, space for ports and speakers, so everything is as expected. There we go. So I've just slipped the phone into the case, and first impressions is it's a pretty snug fit. It fits well. You don't seem to have any blockage to using the phone itself because the screen on the Huawei P40 is a flat one, so it's quite ergonomically flat and goes around the edges just a little. It also gives a little bit of a lift to the screen, so if you're putting it down face down, it won't scratch because it's off just a bit. On rougher surfaces, you are risking scratching your screen. And the same with the camera. You'll see the lovely Leica lens and camera module with the triple cameras of the Huawei P40. The lip around the camera module lifts the camera slightly off. So when you put it down on a surface, your camera lens isn't touching the surface itself. It's raised up by the case. So nice little snug case. I would say the only downside is that you're covering up that lovely silver back of the Huawei P40. But as far as cases go, buttons work well, volume rocker works well, there's nothing stopping you using the in-screen fingerprint reader, accessing the microphone, speaker and USB Type-C port is fine. So that is our first impressions and unpackaging of this case for the Huawei P40. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, we do have a series of videos of the Huawei P40. Check them out on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. For now, thanks for watching.